In this video, I'll show you how to quit your Facebook account temporarily by deactivating it. This allows you to take a break without permanently deleting your account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for Account Center and tap on it. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. You will see your account listed on the screen. Tap on it and choose Deactivate Account, then tap Continue. Facebook may ask you to enter your password and select a reason for deactivating your account. Follow the steps and confirm your choice to complete the process. After deactivation, your profile and posts will no longer be visible to others, but your information will still be saved. Whenever you want to return, you can simply log in again and your account will be reactivated automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.